Okay, so this week's module covers chapters 2 and 3 from your text, and chapter 2 is doing health screenings or health observations. And why should teachers be concerned about children's health and well-being? Well, because children's health affects their learning, it affects their energy, it affects their performance, and it affects their growth and development. Resources that teachers can use to evaluate a child's health is daily observations and health checks. That's just like when the child walks in your classroom, you just kind of do a visible scan of them. Looking at their health records, developmental screenings, and family input. And in chapter 2, it talks about what are daily health checks, which teachers should be doing every single day. In chapter 3, we'll be looking at assessing children's health. Information about a child's health is available in many forms in a variety of sources, and some of the information can be used to, assess a child's health over time, identify developmental problems, work on intervention plans, and make referrals, of course, with the parent's permission, and evaluate a child's progress. So also, too, with teachers, you'll be looking at their medical history. And again, this will help you as the teacher.